Hello friends, welcome to Academy Tuber. These are important questions on 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments. This video is helpful for all competitive exams. Before going into the video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start the video. The Panchayat Raj system in India was constitutionalized through which Amendment Act of 1992? Answer is 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. The Panchayat Raj system was first adopted by which state? Answer is Rajasthan. The Government of India appointed which committee to examine the working of Community Development Program and the National Extension Service? Answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Who was the chairman of study team on Nyaya Panchayats 1962? Answer is G.R. Rajagopal. Ashok Mehta Committee was appointed by which government? Answer is Janata government. Which committee recommended replacement of 3-tier system by 2-tier system in Panchayat Raj? Answer is Ashok Mehta Committee. G.V.K. Rao Committee was appointed by Planning Commission in which year? Answer is 1985. A report on block level planning 1978 was given by which committee? Answer is Dantwala Committee. Concept paper on revitalization of Panchayat Raj institutions for democracy and development was submitted under the chairmanship of? Answer is L.M. Singhvi. In 1986, whose government appointed L.M. Singhvi Committee? Answer is Rajiv Gandhi government. Which committee recommended a fixed tenure of 5 years for Panchayat Raj institutions? Answer is Thangan Committee and Gadgil Committee, both of the above. Rajiv Gandhi government introduced which constitutional amendment bill in Lok Sabha in July 1989? Answer is 64th Constitutional Amendment. After deleting controversial aspects from 64th Amendment Bill, whose government introduced this as 73rd Amendment Bill? Answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao government. "73rd Constitutional Amendment Act came into force on." Answer is 24th April 1993. "73rd Constitutional Amendment Act added which part to Constitution?" Answer is Part 9. New schedule added to Constitution due to 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Answer is 11th schedule. Eleventh schedule contains how many functional items of panchayats? Answer is 29 items. Which act provides the reservation of not less than 1/3 of the total number of seats for women in village panchayats? Answer is 73rd Amendment Act of 1992. According to 73rd Amendment Act of 1992, what is the duration of office of panchayat at every level? Answer is 5 years. According to 73rd Amendment Act of 1992, in case of dissolution of panchayat, fresh election should be conducted within a period of. Answer is 6 months. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching.